friends, it's Miss Heather again. I wanted to read a book to you. Cece always brings in fun elephant and piggy books, so I thought I'd read you one of my favorites. This one's called There is a Bird on Your Head by Mo Willems. So let's give it a go. And you remember in this one, there's talking bubbles. The gray talking bubbles are for elephant, and the pink talking bubbles are for piggy. But there's none on this page. On this page, there's just a little bird floating down. Here he comes. I wonder where he's going to land. Piggy! Is something on my head? Yes. There is a bird on your head. There is a bird on my head. How do you think he feels about that? Ah! Oh, I would say he doesn't feel too good about that. Is there a bird on my head now? No. Oh, what's coming down from the top there? Let's find out. Now there are 2 birds on your head. What are 2 birds doing on my head? They're in love. See the little heart? Ooh. The birds on my head are in love. They are lovebirds. Lovebirds. How do you know they are lovebirds? They are making a nest. 2 birds are making a nest on my head. Why would 2 birds make a nest on my head? Do you know why they would? I am afraid to ask. Do I have an egg on my head? He lifts up Piggy. Piggy's looking. Does he have any eggs on his head? Let's see. 1, 2, 3. You have 3 eggs on your head. I do not want 3 eggs on my head. Then I have good news. The eggs are gone? The eggs are hatching. Hatching? The eggs on my head are hatching? Cheep, 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 cheep. They have hatched. He looks so happy. Now I have 3 baby chicks on my head and 2 birds and a nest. I do not want 3 baby chicks, 2 birds, and a nest on my head. Where do you want them? Somewhere else! Oh, he screamed it so loud, Piggy went flying. Why not ask them to go somewhere else? That's what we say. You have to use your words, right? Ask them? Ask them. Okay, I will try asking. Excuse me, birds, will you please go somewhere else? You think they're going to go somewhere else? Let's see. No problem. It worked. Bye. They're flying away with their nest. How does Elephant look like he feels? So happy, I know. Now there are no birds on my head. Thank you, Piggy. Thank you very much. You are welcome. Look, the bird nest, where did it go?
On Piggy's head.
To Piggy's head, that's right. And remember, we always find Pigeon on the last page of the story. And there he is eating a hot dog. So silly.
Does he have mustard on the hot dog?
Nope, just a regular hot dog.
Wow.
All right, friends, that was Elephant and Piggy. There is a bird on my head. Thanks for reading with me today. I still miss you guys. I hope you're having some fun outdoor time, and I hope to see you soon. Bye.